Hello and welcome to another lesson in our website development in WordPress. And in this lesson, we're going to go ahead and put our items on our website into different categories. Let's delve right into that. So to log in, you just have to have our let's see here. So I have my backend already here. Okay, I'm going to copy this and then, as usual, paste it here. Press this. I can use here as the back end for editing stuff. So okay, let me go to the dashboard. So I have my dashboard here. Perfect. So now what we are going to do right now is the first post we have just created. Okay. Let's see the post first. This is the post. Okay. So we would want to put it, as you can see, it's uncategorized for now. Okay, so we would want to put it into a category of maybe articles. Then we want to create another category called what? News. And whatever we have share on our website. If it's about news, then it's going to be under news categories. If it is about articles, maybe tutorials like this, then it's going to be under what? Articles. Okay, that is what we want to do. That is the idea. So let's quickly do that. So to start with, we will have to categorize this one first and put it under articles. Okay. So to do that, just make sure you click on this particular article here. Okay. Then you go to edit posts. Allow this to load. So under edit post, then you come to categories. Okay, then you go to add new category. Then you get the name of your category here, then give it something like articles. Okay, and you just go ahead and click on add new category. You just remove this one and categorize. You uncheck it. Okay, so once you are done with that, you click on update. So once we update this, when we come here and refresh, you should see that taking effect. So we have this as articles. Perfect. So we're going to go ahead and add another post to our site. Okay, so to do that, let's come back here. Let's go back to the back end here once again. So you go to add new and then go to posts. Click on this. For now, I don't have anything now, but for demonstration sake, I can just generate my posts and quickly use it. Okay, so let's just go here. Let's just get word and then maybe demo, whatever. I will press to open it here. So I'll just type equal to the lorem into brackets 15 comma 15, then bracket close. I have my random text here for that. Okay, plenty, lengthy. So I'll just control A to copy this, control A to control C to copy it. Okay. This is how you generate random text for whatever you would want to use it for. Okay, so just minimize this one for now, minimize this as well. Then you go back here. So guess what happened to lorem? That should be my maybe title. Guess what happened to Mr. Lorem? Sorry, something like this. So, and I have my article here, then control V to paste it. Lengthy, very lengthy. So I have this here. So to get the featured images, let's click on this post here. Okay. Then you come to featured images, then you just choose set featured image. So click on this one. Then you just go to upload file. Then you go to select this. Okay. Then quickly we go to let's choose this one. Okay, for that. And that is done. Then we set featured image. Okay, now we would want to add new category. We would want to categorize it. So you click on this category and give it a name, news. Perfect. So you click on add category. Okay, so we have that as well. So once we are done with that, the next thing we'd want to do is Mr. Okay, let's have this here. Perfect. Is to click on publish it. Okay. So now once we come here and then refresh, we would want to see the magic happening. So we have this and it's now under news. We have this under articles. Perfect. Our website is taking its shape. Okay. Now the next thing we would want to do is we would want to have this news as well as the articles among our menu items. We would want to add them to our menu items. So to do that, first of all, let's just come back to the back end here and then quickly go back here. Then we get to the dashboard here. So under this, we would want to come to appearance. Then under appearance, then you come to menus. Okay. Then under menus, you see we already have this one here. So you come to categories. Then you just select the news and then articles. And you click on add. Okay. So you can see that they are added here to the home, about us, and contact, and the news and articles. Okay. So you just for now would have to arrange them. I would want the home to come first, about us to come first, articles before the news. So let me move articles to the top before the and I move the contact and the news then. So I have it now like home. But however, the way you want it, just go ahead and do it like that. So you have home here, about us, articles, news, and then contact us. Okay. So once you are done with that, you just go ahead and click on save menu. So I think this is saved. Okay. So let's quickly go back here and refresh and see it. Perfect. So we have home, about us, articles, news, and then contact us. Perfect. So you can see that everything is now taking its shape. So we have just categorized our menu items. So now whenever we are sharing a post and we want it to be in a different category, then we go ahead and then categorize it back. However, if you already have that category, make sure you choose that category for that particular post. Okay, so basically that is that. I wouldn't want to prolong this lesson. In our next lesson, we're going to go ahead and then begin sharing out. Then we're going to go ahead and work on maybe our about us and then a contact us. The last thing we're going to do is going to be magical. Some of our colleagues have done amazing jobs by applying what we've learned in our previous lesson, that is in the VBA. One of them has created e-voting application using Excel VBA. Another person has created church management systems. We're going to use this tool for demonstration and share them on our website for our users to come and download. Okay, so basically that is that. So we still have more to do. So this brings us to the end of this lesson. So till our next lesson. So thank you very much for watching and then bye for now.